Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. Guys, I hope that you all are doing great. Today I'm so excited because you can see me. I'm standing here in a place which is absolutely so precious to me. It comes under the nostalgic memories. Why am I saying like this? Because where I'm standing right now, here I started my English journey. Here I started my YouTube journey especially. Yes guys, of course. So when I was a beginner, I started my first video. I started to upload my videos in this place itself. So I can say here I started my English journey and my YouTube journey. And right now you can see it's been 2 years and I improved a lot, not only English but also my YouTube journey. Especially I'm so grateful for you guys because you have been giving unwavering support to me because I reached 10k subscribers. Thank you so much for your unwavering support because without you my YouTube journey is impossible, right? Not only comes under my English journey, simultaneously I improved my YouTube. So I'm so excited guys. And today you can see behind me, especially you can see a tree. It comes under a gooseberry tree, Indian gooseberry. So when I started my journey, that time it was very tiny, minuscule tree, like very small tree. And after 2 years, you can see here it's a big tree. Now it started to give fruit, vegetables. I don't know how we can say gooseberry as a fruit or vegetable, I don't know. Not only this tree, after 2 years, it started to give its benefits. Simultaneously, in this 2 years, I improved my English, and right now I am also giving such kind of good things like good lecturers, not lecturers, tips, content to my subscribers, to people. So my English also improved. So I just compared my English with this tree because we started it from very scratch, very small stage, from beginning to intermediate level. Like it is, the tree also comes small tree to now little big tree. This is how I started my journey, and today at this place itself I would like to start a beautiful challenge to you, especially 21 days beginner level challenge. So I can say this like foundation course. I'm going to start this foundation challenge especially for beginners, not for intermediate level learners. If you are the person who wants to initiate your English journey, who wants to improve your English journey, but you don't know what to do, what are the things you have to follow, especially what video you have to watch, what should you do, so you have so many confusion, but you have the clarity that I want to be fluent in English, but you don't know what to do first and what to follow. So this video is absolutely for you. This challenge is especially for you beginners. Don't worry, you start your English journey today itself just by watching this video. I am going to guide you for next 21 days. What are the specialities, what are the unique things that I'm just insisted in this challenge? Let me explain it. Actually, I already taken this challenge when I started my journey, when I was a beginner. So I started 21 days challenge and I opened Telegram group, and right now it has grown a very far and very long. Right now we have lots of groups. When it comes to Telegram, we have separate groups for speaking, vocabulary, grammar, and reading also, like LSRW. Simultaneously we have grammar. And when it comes to WhatsApp, we have a separate WhatsApp group too. So why I am just introducing these things to you? Actually, I posted a previous video, which is last video. In that video, I given all the links in my description box. If you have not watched that video till now, I just request you go and watch my video and check my description box. Definitely you will find all the links and just join now. So let's come to this challenge, foundation course challenge, especially for next 21 days. What is the speciality behind it? First of all, you don't worry, we are going to start very simple. It will be simple and elegant. So you don't worry, it's not going to be like a Herculean task for you. Nowadays, everybody busy. Nobody have sufficient time to learn something new, right? When it comes to language, it is very hard. So that's why I designed this course. What should you do? You should listen, watch my videos completely each and every day, especially for next 21 days. And what am I going to do? I'm going to guide you through my Telegram group and WhatsApp group. Okay, I'm going to give some task. I'm going to see what are the things you are doing. These are the things you have to follow. But when it comes to the part of platform like Telegram and WhatsApp, you have to take the steps. You have to immerse yourself and take some conversation, start your conversation, some things. I'm just acting as your guiding partner. I'm going to guide you. That's the duty of mine. But when it comes to your part, you have to indulge yourself in English, start to learn everything. And one more thing which is so special and unique, that is I mentioned in you, right? What is that? Okay, next 21 days I'm going to post a video, especially we are going to take this challenge, foundation course challenge, especially for beginners. So in this challenge, I really want to give a training. Not only training, I would like to train some people. I would like to connect with people, especially who are literally facing a lot of difficulties to learn English in order to improve their fluency. How can I do that when it comes to the part of one-to-one session? You can say like one-to-one coaching. How am I going to do that? See, time is so precious. I'm a student, I'm doing my master's degree, so I do not have sufficient time. Meanwhile, I'm just going to give this wonderful opportunity for you. So if I'm giving this, definitely not for everyone. There is some competition here. I'm going to select the people for some criteria basis only. What is that? Each and every day I'm going to post a video for next 21 days, right? You have to post your comment in my comment section especially. You can share your experience, you can summarize my video, or you can also share your feedback. If I give any homework, you can do it, write answers, something you have to write it down on comment section. So the best comment should be pin, especially the best comment should be pin. So the pin comment, what should you have to do? The person have to take the screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp. If you do not have any WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups, if you do not join it yet, in this video description box also I will give it. You just click it and you can join it. So you have to share the screenshot to my WhatsApp group. Then I'll just arrange you like one-to-one session through Google Meet or Zoom Meet. It depends upon that situation itself, that day itself. This is the one-to-one coaching for the people who literally facing like inferiority complex, doubting themselves, do not know, fumbling, stumbling, hesitation, lot of problem they have been facing in this English journey. Why I'm telling this? Because most of the people are just messaging me on WhatsApp that ma'am, I have to speak with you. I do not have English partners. I practice my English with you. Like that they are asking so many comments will be like bombarding in my WhatsApp group. See, I do not have time. Being a post-graduation student, I have to indulge myself in academic wise. Simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel also. I have to spend some amount of time for this content creation, video shooting, editing, uploading, these kind of stuffs also there. So if I want to give some amount of time for you, especially when it comes to this one-to-one part session, it is absolutely free for you. And the time limit will be minimum 15 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. Okay, these are the criteria that I am going to follow, especially for the best comments that I am going to pin each and every video. That person is going to take this opportunity. So if you want to take this wonderful opportunity, first of all you have to express those things, everything in comment section. Best comment will be pinned. See, if you put any effort, definitely I will allot my time. Nothing is free. If I give this wonderful opportunity, if I give my time for you like 15 to 30 minutes, if I give it free, people will misuse it. Okay, nothing comes very easily for you. So if you want to do it, if you want to take something in your life, it's very useful, it's very beautiful things in your life, means you have to give some effort. Without effort, you can't do anything. When it comes to English language, if you want to improve your English, definitely you have to practice a lot. You have to indulge yourself in English. Then only you can see the drastic improvement in the way you speak. Without practice, you can't do anything, right? As it is come to the point of this one-to-one session, I would like to connect with people, especially for my subscribers only, not for my non-subscribers. If you are my subscribers, if you comment in my comment section, the best comment will be pinned, and for that particular person, definitely I will allot 15 to 30 minutes for the proper session, like guiding parts. And that's it all about this video, guys. So we are going to take this challenge for next 21 days. This is a day 0 video. This is not comes under day 1 video. So you have to watch my videos, each and every videos carefully, and want to comment yourself and take your opportunity. It's an open opportunity for you. I'm not going to take a specific particular person. your words, because we know that the power of words, your words have to impact me and others in my comment section. Then only I will pin the comment. Otherwise, I won't pin the comment. Okay. This is my set of rules and criteria for our next 21 days challenge. And apart from this, if you join my group, definitely weekly once I'm going to arrange a Google Meet or some meetings for you. I'm going to connect with you and clarify your doubts regarding English, especially on that particular challenge, especially foundational course. Okay, I'm going to connect with you. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Just take this opportunity, just utilize it, and I'll come up with another interesting video very soon, especially day 1 video. Till then, you take care. Thank you so much for your precious time, guys. Bye bye.